You are at home. Early morning light. The room is quiet, a soft window, a small table. Your cup is warm. You hold it gently. Just breathe. No rush today. You are here. You are safe. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. You can take your time. A small moment. Just listening. Maybe you feel shy. That is okay. We start softly. Listen first. Then repeat. Only if ready. A tiny sound. Your voice, slow and calm. We begin. Hello, hello. A soft hello. Again, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Slow voice. Warm voice. Good morning. You try. Good morning. Maybe quiet. Maybe a whisper. That is fine. Hi, hi. Short and easy. Hi. You say it. Hi. How are you? How are you? No need fast. How are you? You listen again. How are you? You can answer. I'm okay. I am okay. Slow. I'm okay. You try. I'm okay. Maybe you smile. Just a little. I'm good. I'm good. Simple words. I'm good. Again. I'm good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. A longer line. Still gentle. Nice to meet you. You try. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. Soft voice. Thank you. Again. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Calm reply. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. A polite sound. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Small word. Soft word. Sorry. You try again. Sorry. Goodbye. Goodbye. Not leaving yet. Just the sound. Goodbye. You listen. You breathe. The room is still. Morning light moves. Your cup is warm. Your hands relax. Maybe you feel a tiny change. A little easier. A little calmer. We go again. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. I'm good. Nice to meet you. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Goodbye. Slow circle. Soft rhythm. You don't rush. You don't push. Just listen. Just repeat. Your voice is here. Small but real. A quiet step. One more try. Hello. You hear it. You feel it. A soft breath. A gentle pause. You look at the window. Light on the table. The cup is still warm. You open your mouth. Just a little. Hello. You stay in the chair. The room is calm. Light moves slowly. Across the wall. Across the table. You hear a small sound, maybe outside, maybe a bird. You listen again. Your breath is soft. We continue. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. A new time. Same calm voice. Good afternoon. You try it. Good afternoon. Not too fast. Just steady. Good evening. Good evening. The day feels quiet. The voice stays warm. Good evening. You say it. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome. A gentle word. For a new space. Welcome. You repeat. Welcome. Come in. Come in. A soft invitation. Come in. You try. Come in. Please. Please. A small word. Very kind. Please. Again. Please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A little longer. Still slow. Thank you. Very much. You try. Thank you very much. No problem. No problem. Easy reply. No problem. You repeat. No problem. See you later. See you later. A calm goodbye, but not now. See you later. You try it. See you later. Take care. Take care. Soft and kind. Take care. You repeat. Take care. The room stays warm. Your hands are loose. You breathe in. You breathe out. We go slowly again. Hello. Hi. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. I'm good. Nice to meet you. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. See you later. Take care. The rhythm is gentle, like quiet steps. You listen more, you speak less, then a little more. Maybe a small whisper, maybe inside your mind. That is enough. Your shoulders drop. Your face is calm. You are not rushing. You are learning. Slowly, carefully. You hear your voice. It feels new, but safe. We stay here. Good morning. Hello? A tiny pause. You look at the cup. Steam moves up, then disappears. You take a breath. A small one. Good morning. The light is softer now. Still warm. Still quiet. You stay with the sound. No rush. We begin again. Good morning. Hello? How are you? I'm okay. You try it. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. A calm reply. Very simple. I'm fine. You repeat. I'm fine. I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. Slow words. Gentle truth. You try it. I'm a little tired. I feel good. I feel good. Soft and light. You repeat. I feel good. Today is calm. Today is calm. You say it. Today is calm. I'm here. I'm here. A small sentence, but strong. You try. I'm here. I'm learning. I'm learning. Slowly learning. You repeat. I'm learning. English is slow, and that is okay. You listen again. Hello. Hi. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You try it. Nice to meet you. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Small words. Kind words. You hear them. You feel them. The room stays still. A tiny sound outside. Maybe a car. Far away. You breathe in. You breathe out. Your voice returns. Hello. Good morning. You say it softly. Just once more. Hello. You pause. Just a moment. The room is quiet. The light is gentle. You stay here. One more breath. In, out. You try again. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. I'm fine. You listen. Then repeat. I feel calm. I feel calm. A simple feeling. A true feeling. You say it. I feel calm. I am learning. Slowly. You try. I am learning. English is here. Right now. Not fast, not hard, just slow, just clear. You hear a small sound, a cup on the table, maybe tea, maybe coffee, warm, comfortable. You stay with it. I am here. I am listening. You try. I am listening. Good morning. Again. Hello. Again. The words feel softer, a little easier. You don't rush. You don't push. Just one more time. Hello. I'm here. You look around. The light is still there. You take a small breath. You did well. You stayed calm. Simple greetings, slow and gentle. We listened first, then we spoke, very softly. Hello. Good morning. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. I'm good. Small words, kind words, easy sounds. You didn't rush, you didn't push, you just stayed here with the sound. We spoke slowly, again and again. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Goodbye. Soft circle. Simple rhythm. These words are small, but strong. You can use them every day. At home. At work. Outside. Just a few words are enough. You don't need perfect English. You only need a calm start. A slow voice. A small try. You stayed here for a few minutes. You listened. You repeated. That is learning. That is progress. We keep it simple. We keep it calm. Hello? One more time. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. A quiet breath. You are here. You are learning. And that is enough. Stay here for a moment, just as you are. You listened. You spoke softly. You stayed calm. That is enough for today. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. You can take your time, if you like. Listen again tomorrow. We will continue gently, one small step, one calm voice. Take a slow breath. See you next time.